See, there's a little detent in there at the very end of this part right there, if you can see that. Okay, that's where it looks like it's sticking. That's the pin that it travels. So I think that's primarily the issue they run into, if you can see that. Show contrast. I have this bad boy. So if you can see that. That's a little detent that's supposed to be smooth, but it gets a little bit more rounded out. And it looks like people, when they modify it, they cut out all of that stuff. They cut out all of this. So all this stuff gets cut out right around here. Of course, I prefer just to get a new one myself, if at all possible. But I want to show you what it looks like as much as possible. Okay. That's that piece that goes down. Of course, you can't see it. This is the internals. This is a little piece that often sticks, or that's where the area goes. This is where all the little keyed pins go when you're actually trying to key this item.